Hi guys, so here's another skat. Hey, kuning. So Musakaula posted this on his ex account. He said, "Oh, Mihlali baby, remember when you tried banning me with the kettle of boiling water at Leroy Sidambe's office? And you had let slip in that moment that Leroy Sidambe is bisexual. Yo. And you thought we were in a relationship. Girl, I remember because you gagged the shit out of me. XOXO, gossip girl. Yeah, Musa Kaula. Guys, this is all alleged. Hi Bandla. Let's go through the comments, guys, and see what people had to say about this. This one said, what were you doing in his office? Oh wow, that is a very good question. Musakaula, what were you doing? What were you doing at his office, like for real, for real? Hi Shem. Batong Musa, come back, finish the story. Oh yes, he has to come back and finish the story because this story is not finished. Like, we need the whole story, Musa. Come on. Musa, you have no peace, Shem. Ayike Shem bandla never. Umusa ni peace amanzi namafutha. Akuhlangana. Batong told me, how did you end up in his office nawe? Guys, I saw so many questions asking the same thing. What were you doing in his office? What were you doing? We want to know. And also, how do you know he's bisexual? Like, hey, umusa. Hi, uneindaba Shem. Chomi wena, you are Mihlali's nightmare, Shem. Yo, guys, ngiyakumbula that time umusa wayenepopo. Eshawe uyena uMihlali. Guys, indaba yalaba. You and Mihlali have unfinished business from a previous life. For real, for real. Were you effing Leroy in his office, Musa? Hey, hi Asas. Musa, you are crazy and funny at the same time. Okay, what were you doing at his office, Chomi? Our Chomi, please tell us. We want to know. What were you doing at his office? How? This tea doesn't have sugar. No, it doesn't. What were you doing there? Musa, we want to know. Batong. We want to know. How? Tell us, please. You are a big stress to Mihlali the same way she is a big stress in marriages. You. Hi, Shame. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it from me. Please share your thoughts under the comments. And yeah, guys, what do you think Musa was doing in Leroy Sidambe's office? Anyway, I'll see you guys on my next one.